As India grows, so too has its use of cement, now only second to China. Concrete buildings are changing the landscape here, but emissions involved in cement production are also pushing up global temperatures. The small town of Arialur in India's south is nicknamed Cement City because it's home to some of the industry's big players. And it's also here that one company's leading the world with a bold vision: to make cement carbon negative by 2040. But is that really credible?
Yes, cement would be contributing.
Mahendra Singhi, the CEO of the Dalmia cement company, certainly thinks so. He's at the forefront of using climate-friendly ways to make cement.
The challenge which we took was that is it possible to bring down CO2 emissions from the cement and to create an example that cement can be greener also. And you'll be very happy to know that today we have the lowest carbon footprints in global cement world.
It's not been easy. Emissions from the cement industry contribute to global warming 3 or 4 times more than aviation does. And becoming carbon negative requires a huge investment in cutting-edge technology to remove the remaining carbon dioxide.
So why is cement so dangerous to the planet? Well, it's all in the way that it's produced. Limestone and other materials are heated to temperatures of 1400 degrees Celsius, and that process in itself emits carbon dioxide, as does the burning of the fuels to heat the kiln.
Dalmia aims to reduce those levels first by using renewable fuels to heat the furnaces. Here, bamboo's being used as a replacement for coal. Bamboo grows rapidly on wasteland that can't be used for much else. Different types of waste are also being used as fuel, and waste material from power stations is added to the mix of ingredients, reducing the need for limestone. For Mr. Singhi, this mission is personal.
First, we had to convince ourselves also and then our people that it's good for them, it's good for the society, it's good for the future. If you look in my plants, the young team or the experienced team, all are for it. Why? Because all these practices are profitable also and sustainable also.
That might be so, but why not just use less cement? Well, the problem is it's very difficult to replace, as even environmentalists concede.
Yeah, in the years to come, India is going to rely more on cements, but then the notion has to change. I don't think it's practical, but in a longer run, we can do it. We cannot eliminate the cement completely, but we can find many more alternative materials.
Cement has now become one of the world's most consumed materials, but many people are still unaware of the damage it's doing to the climate. It's still a big polluter, but this plant in a small corner of India may be showing the way to reducing and one day eliminating its damage.